3 cancels with 3 and 4 divided by 4 becomes 1, but this answer is completely wrong because we didn't pay attention to the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is an acronym that shows the order of operations in math. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Operations inside parentheses and exponents are done first, then multiplication/division, and finally addition/subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction, have equal priority. Thank you for staying with us until now. By subscribing and liking, you give us the energy to create even better content. According to the PEMDAS rule, we move from left to right and perform division first. Then, for 4 divided by 3/4, we use the KCF rule. The KCF rule is a simple method for dividing fractions. According to this rule, we first keep the first fraction as it is, keep, then change the division sign to multiplication, change, and finally flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, flip. After these 3 steps, we multiply the 2 fractions to obtain the final result. According to the KCF rule, we keep the 4 as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. The whole expression becomes 4 times 3/4. The 4's cancel out, and 3 remains. And in the end, 3 multiplied by 3 becomes 9. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts with me in the comments. That's all for this one. Join our growing community by subscribing today. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.